the biggest league in the province of Cagayan. And again, we would like to thank the following sponsors for the Apong Volleyball League. Honorable Attorney Alvaro Bong T. Antonio, Honorable Mayor Attorney Cristina Tintin Antonio, Honorable Criselda Dadang Antonio, and the Municipal Mayor of the Municipality of Pamplona, Honorable Digna Puzon Antonio. Maraming salamat po, ma'am and sir. So you'll be watching the men's volleyball division play between Alcala MVT and Amulung MVT. So our first referee will be Mr. Chrismael Lagok, and for our second referee, we have Sir Marvin Isnek. So this is the last match for today, for today's schedule. Alright, first team to serve mga kaibigan is Team Alcala. We have Trens Constantino wearing jersey number 5 for Team Alcala. Service. Si Mangan for that running attack. Oh, that goes outside for that hard hit ball by Simangan. Shadow play mga kaibigan. Tinarget si Donato, pero naitaas. Simangan, setter, goes to the open. Nice dig for George Donato. Libero to the open, drop ball. Nice block for Team Alcala, courtesy of jersey number 18, Almanon. Now serving, jersey number 18. Libero. Middle. George was there. Back throw. Illegal attack for Trens Florentino. Constantino rather, wearing jersey number 5. Jersey number 19, serving for 1 Amulung. Good service to Libero, to opposite. That goes outside. No check for the opposite spiker of Team Alcala. So point goes to Team Amulung. Donato. Open. Christian Perlas for the spin ball. To a net touch violation on the side of Amulung. So score po natin 3 serving 2. De Ocampo on the service line. Good service. Middle. Blockers out, mga kaibigan. 4-2. That goes too long for that service. So, score pa natin 3-4. Now, Christian Perlas on the service line. Targeting the libero and sa service ace mga kaibigan. All 4 po mga kaibigan ang ating score. Good dig for the libero. Nakuha. Trends to George Donato. Drop ball. The setter goes to the open. Point for Team Ambulong. 5-4. Service. De Ocampo to George Donato. And that goes outside for Team Alcala. Service. Targeting the libero. Now Christian Perlas gave the ball to open. George Donato for that hit. Now Sonido on the service line. Open. And that's a good hit. Unfortunately, De Ocampo wasn't able to dig up that ball. So point goes to Team Amulong. Limon. Libero. Back throw hit for De Ocampo. Quick attack. There was a joust. Now Donato serving. Good receive na itaas sa open. Oh, masyadong maluwang ang blockings ng Alcala. So, pumasok ang bola sa gitna ng dalawang blocker. Serving. Limon. Drop ball ang setter. Antolin. Topspin pero nakuha. Oh, that goes outside. Score po natin is 9 serving 6. De Ocampo. Kick attack by Almanon. Score po natin na 7-9. Constantino serving for Team Alcala. Drop ball. Sa harapan mismo ni George Donato mga kaibigan. Number 13 serving. Iangat ni George Donato to Christian Perlas and nice placement for the point mga kaibigan. Now Almanon on the service line for Team Alcala. Quick attack by Lumabaw. Jersey number 9. Quick attack to Sonido. Setter now to the opener. Naiangat ng libero to open. Swipe. So, that goes outside. Ginamit ni RD De Ocampo ang kamay ng mga blockers and that went out. Now De Ocampo serving. Over receive. Oh, there was a net touch violation mga kaibigan. So still point for Team Amulong. Open. George Donato. That's outside. No check. Masyadong mataas yung bola over the blocker. So, no check for that point for Team Amulong. Again, you are watching the Apong Volleyball, the All Cagayano Conference, the biggest league in the province. And we have also viewers here from Gattaran supporting their son, Christian Perlas. We have here Ma'am Emily and her husband. Dito po, ang buong family pala nandito supporting Christian Perlas for Team Alcala. Jersey number 9, short service. Good. Nice block for Sonido. Opposite. Drop. Long ball. Patong, pero swing knife. Nakuha ni Constantino. Nice coverage for him. Oh, hitting the line on the side of Team Amulong. Courtesy of Christian Perlas. Now serving. Teo Campo. Quick attack. George was there. But there was a block. So, point for Team Amulong. Good attack. Good save. Chance ball ngayon for Team Amulong. That point by Simangan, the team captain for Amulong. Hindi ho naitaas yung bola sa side ng Alcala. Good dig. Open, George Donato. There's a check ball. So point for Team Alcala. Sonido. Single hand set. So point for Team Amulong. Come on. Middle. Good. Nakuha pa rin. Simangan was there. Oh. Hindi naitaas ang bola. No point again for Team Amulong. Now, there's a timeout call on the side of Team Alcala. 11-17 mga kaibigan. Still in favor for Team Amulong. And back to the ball game mga kaibigan. Jerwin Tenao on the service line for Team Amulong. Good receive, Netas. George Donato using the hands of the blockers. Netas. There you go. 12-17 mga kaibigan. Courtesy of George Donato. Donato on the service line. Oh, service error. So, lamang po ngayon ng 6 ang Team Amulong. Good receive. Do Campo. Naitaas. Good. Si Mangan using. That was a good hit. Grabing adjustment ang ginawa ni si Mangan doon. Hitting the corner on the side of Alcala. Good receive. Block. Trends to the Ocampo. Drop ball. But si Mangan was there. Swipe. Nakuha ulit. De Ocampo. Nilihis ang bola sa kamay ng middle blocker ng Team Amulong. Now Trends Constantino serving for Team Alcala. Si Mangan again. That goes inside. Now si Mangan on the service line. Good receive to the open. Christian Perlas. Pinabawian. Lumusot ang bola. Open. Boom. Nice block for Christian Perlas. 14-20. Nawala Manon serving. Running attack pero swipe. Donato to the opposite. Regalo! So score po natin 21-14.
Exposure mo.
Opposite. Walang blocker doon. So that was a good hit by De Ocampo. 15-21 mga kaibigan. Now De Ocampo on the service line. Good serve. Block, pero nakuha. That goes. A good ball pa rin. Pero hindi naitaas ng blockers ng Amulong. Now De Ocampo serving. Regalo on the side of Team Alcala. Courtesy of Christian Perlas. Score pa natin 17-21. Apat na lamang ang kalamangan ng Amulong mga kaibigan. Time out ng Team Amulong. Back to the ball game mga kaibigan. De Ocampo is still on the service line. Good. Lumabaw. Grabe yun. Makalakas nun. Halos na natumba nga si Sonido for that block. That goes outside. So, nabawi agad yung point na yon over Team Alcala. Now, Perlas serving. Shadow play. Patong. Naiangat. Good play. Still playable. Perlas was there. Open. George Donato. Hey! And that was a good shot for George Donato. Now, Christian Antonio Perlas on the service line. Good. Pagaduan. Swipe. Pagaduan was still there. Jaus. Good. Still playable. Libero. Now, De Ocampos. Open. George for that Jaus. Naitas pa rin ng Alcala. Pumalo. Si Danao. Trends to open. Block. Now, De Ocampo still gave that ball to Donato. Now, Amulong turns. De Ocampo, naitas ang bola. Trends going to Donato. And then, what a cross-court hit courtesy of George Donato. Grabe yung laban na yon, mga kaibigan. Now, Perlas. Open. Drop ball. Perlas was there. Oh! There was a miscommunication between the libero and the middle blocker. Sayang. Sabi ng side ng Alcala. So, score po natin, 23-20. Good receive. Good. George Donato. May taas. Open. Simangan. Score po natin, 24-20. Grabe. Grabe yung laban na yon, mga kaibigan. Ayaw pabigay ng Amulong yung play na yon. Adjustment ang kailangan to get the first set point. So set point ngayon ng team Amulong. – 20-24, mga kaibigan, ang ating score. Now, serving, Amulong. Pagaduan. George Donato. Oh, good dig, pero hindi nahabol yung ball na yon for Pagaduan. So, first set win goes to Team Amulong with the set score of 25-20. Ayan, so back to the ball game tayo mga kaibigan for the second set. Play between Juan Amulong and Alcala Shine. Set 2 mga kaibigan. Simangan, number 13, serving for Team Amulong. Perlas, receive the ball for that. Good adjustment, cut shot ang ginawa ni De Ocampo. To the open ng Amulong. Point for Team Amulong. First point goes to them. Ang layo ng pinanggalingan ng bola for that spike. Still Simangan on the service line targeting the libero. Quick attack. May taas ang bola. Oh, there's crossing the line violation on the side of Team Amulong. So Trens, the main setter of Team Alcala, serving. Middle, block. But still playable to open, still block. And now, chance ball for Team Alcala. Swipe. To middle. Oh! No touch and outside. So point goes to Team Alcala for the score of 2-1. Trends serving. Open. Check ball mga kaibigan. Setter to the open using De Ocampo. But unfortunately, the middle blocker of Team Amulong was there. So, no entry for that spike. Now, serving for Amulong. Quick attack. Double violation. Ang tawag ng referee. Oh, service error ng Team Amulong. Alcala. Sorry. Grabe kasi itong laro na to eh. Naghahabulan sila ng set. Now, lumabaw on the service line. Oh, salitan ng service error dito ngayon mga kaibigan. Now, De Ocampo. Simangan. To the open. Swipe. May taas ang bola pero it doesn't cross the net. So, point goes to Team Alcala. May taas ang bola. Oh! So, point for Team Amulong. Score po natin na 4-5 mga kaibigan. No. Jersey number 20, targeting the libero. So, Christian Perlas, swipe. To the opposite. Block. Ayan. So, point goes to Team Alcala. Uy, may tawag ang referee natin. Yellow card for Team Amulong. Good receive. Simangan. Libero ngayon magsaset to the opposite. Drop ball! Point goes to Team Amulong. Service. Open. Boom! Simangan ngayon. Galit na galit si Simangan ngayon para sa point na yon. Grabe, ang lakas ni Simangan ngayon mga kaibigan. Now, Sapio wearing jersey number 27 serving. But that goes outside. Service error for Team Amulong. Another service error for on the side of Alcala. Now, Solina, number 18, serving. Leo Campo. And, oh! Vergara goes outside for that head. Shadow play. Kaso, hindi na flip ni Vergara ang kanyang kamay. So, point for Amulong. Banawian, pero, oh, there was a net touch, a violation on the side of Amulong. Bawing-bawi ang score doon, mga kaibigan. So, all 8 po ang score natin. Now, Vergara serving. Good receive. Running attack. But, attack was, goes outside in the hands of the middle blocker of Alcala. On the side of Alcala, mga kaibigan. Score po natin, all 9. Now, Trent serving. Number 27. Good. Oh! Ang bilis ng bola doon between the middle blockers of both teams. So, point goes to Team Alcala. Open. Block by Christian Antonio Perlas and Almanon. So 11-9 mga kaibigan. Good receive. Drop ball ang setter. Pinaluan. Regalo mga kaibigan. Courtesy of jersey number 20 on the side of Amulong. Malabad, jersey number 3. Libero, sinet sa open. Quick cut. Opposite mga kaibigan. There's a check ball. So point goes to Team Amulong. Now still serving Malabad. Christian Perlas. Setting it to the opposite. Drop. Open. Hard hit ball but that goes outside. Nilihis. Nakita na ng spiker. Ang wing spiker ng Amulong ang kamay ng mga blockers niya. Nilihis but that goes outside. Almanon now serving. Opposite. Oh, there was a miscommunication between Constantino and Marinas. So, point goes to Team Amulong. So, all 12 ang ating score mga kaibigan. Substitution. Ricardo in and Lumabaw out. Ang service ngayon ni Ricardo. Good service. Oh! Good placing for Leo Campo. Technical timeout tayo mga kaibigan. Score po natin na 13-12 in favor of Team Alcala. Marinas! Nabasa nila yung laro ng Team Amulong. So point goes to Team Alcala. Oh, there was a positional fault on the side of Amulong, mga kaibigan. So point goes to Team Alcala. That was a back-to-back point, 17-15. Oh, service error. So may substitution tayo. No, Biliaga serving for Team Amulong. Oh, service error. So 18-15 still in favor of Team Alcala, mga kaibigan. So there's a substitution. Marinas out and Sonido in. Yan. So si Sonido ngayon ang magsiserve for Team Alcala. Opposite attack! Hindi pinadaan sa kamay ng mga blockers ni Solaina. So grabeng lihis yun, targeting the corner of Christian Perlas. Now Solaina on the service line for Team Amulong. Good receive. De Ocampo, chance ball. Binigay. Danao for the hit. Oh, block by Almanon wearing jersey number 18 of Team Alcala. Now Vergara serving. Itas ang bola ang libero to the opposite. Simangan! What a swing for the team captain of Amulong. Now, he's serving. Targeting Christian Perlas. RD, De Ocampo na itas ang bola. Oh, crossing the line ni Vergara, mga kaibigan. So, still on the service line ang team captain ng Amulong. Simangan, serving. Targeting the libero, naitaas ng setter, pero regalo! Palong-palo! Si jersey number 20. Scoreboard natin, all 19, mga kaibigan. Another regalo targeting Vergara by Jerwin Danao. Grabe, ang bilis ng bola doon. Ang bilis ng kamay din ni Jerwin Danao. Muntik nang ma-headshot si Vergara. For that, puti na lang. Simangan. Trends binigay kay Perlas. Yes, sir! Targeting the libero, gave that point for Team Alcala. All 20 mga kaibigan. Simangan. Setter to the open. Naitaas ni Bral Simangan ang bola. Nice dug up. Now libero for a chance ball. Quick attack. Yes, sir! Courtesy of Lumabaw, wearing jersey number 9. 21-20 in favor of Amulong. Ito now, serving. Trends to Perlas. Check ball. All 21 mga kaibigan. Almanon serving, targeting the libero. Misreceived. So, score po natin, 22-21. Almanon still, targeting si Mangan. Patong, pero block. What a monster block by Sonido. So that gave them a 2-point lead. 23-21 mga kaibigan. Grabeng block na yun. Basang-basa ang shadow play na yon on the side of Amulong kontra Alcala. So again, shout out po sa lahat ng mga live viewers natin. Please do keep liking and sharing our page, the Apong Volleyball or the Apong League. Back to the ball game mga kaibigan. Trap ball, pero nako, ay good. Oh! That was a ground ball. So, set point for Team Alcala. 24-21 mga kaibigan. Almanon serving. Hit! Oh! Courtesy of Lumabaw for that point using the hands of the blockers, and it goes outside. So 22-24. Kumakapit ang Team Amulong. Vergara would receive. Binigay sa open, and too late for the blockers of the Amulong to for Christian Perlas for that hit. So there's a decision match between Team Amulong and Team Alcala. So again, you are watching live the Apong Volleyball, the All Cagayano Conference, the biggest league in the province. Live here at the municipality of Alcala. Sponsored by Honorable Attorney Alvaro Bong Antonio, Honorable Mayor Attorney Cristina Tintin Antonio, Honorable Criselda Dadang Antonio, and of course, the local chief executive of the municipality of Pamplona, Honorable Mayor Digna Puzon Antonio. Maraming salamat po mga ma'am and sir for organizing and sponsoring this kind of tournament in the province of Cagayan. So race to 25 pa rin tayo mga kaibigan for the decision match for Alcala and Amulong. Now, back to the ball game, mga kaibigan. Alright, so shoutout po sa mga live viewers natin, sa 100 plus viewers natin. So shoutout po sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat po for watching us live on the page of Apong Volleyball, the All Cagayano Conference. Now, Alcala serving. Brian Simangan. Simangan pala ng Amulong for the point. Siman still in service line. Vergara. Swipe pero hindi na ipasok niya De Ocampo ang bola ng Alcala. So that point goes to Team Amulong. That goes outside. Alman on serving. Open. Rust. Check ball. So point goes to Team Amulong. Scoreboard natin at 3-1. Number 19, serving. Targeting Vergara. Setter to the opposite. Yes, sir! Courtesy of Dieter RD De Ocampo. Wearing jersey number 13. Ball. Itas. Good coverage by Vergara. Now, chance ball ngayon ng Amulong. Danao. Yes, sir. Cross court hit by Jerwin Danao. Now, lumabaw serving for Team Amulong. Good service. De Ocampo to open. Chance ball. Trends. Kanino kayo bibigay? To Perlas! Yes, sir! Using the hands of the blockers. That goes outside. So point goes to Team Alcala with a score of 3-4. Perlas now serving. Targeting the libero at the back of jersey number 20. So it's a service ace. So all four. Perlas is still serving for Alcala. Targeting the libero. Quick attack! Hindi po na-cover ng player ng Team Alcala for that attack. So point goes to them. 5-4, mga kaibigan. Aviliaga serving. Good receive. Quick attack and That goes wide. So, point for Team Alcala. So, Amulong, sorry. So, Amulong is now up by 2. Open, Vergara, Jaus. Point again for Team Amulong. So, tatlo na po ang kalamangan ng Team Amulong. Nabilyaga serving, targeting the libero. Antolin to Danao, chance ball for Team Alcala to open. Good coverage for Team Alcala. Good ball. Open, yes sir! Check ball po mga kaibigan. Bilyaga, number 20, serving for Team Alcala, targeting the libero. Trends, nakipag-jaws. Oh, may pasok ng bola through Simangan. So, point goes to Team Alcala. Again, shout out po sa ating lahat ng mga live viewers po natin ng Apong Volleyball. So, time out for Team Alcala. Score po natin mga kaibigan, 5-4. Bilyaga is still serving. Perlas. Trends. George Donato! Yes, sir! Targeting the corner of the libero of Amulong. Simangan through the block. Point for Team Amulong. 10-5 mga kaibigan. Service. Girls. Regalo for Almanon. Over-receive po sa side ng Amulong. So, pinuntusan na agad ni Almanon. So, 6-10 mga kaibigan. Service. Open again. Drop ball for Simangan. Now, Antolin serving. Oh, 1-2 play for the setter. So, point goes to Team Alcala. Trends. The main setter of Team Alcala serving. Good service. Running attack. Oh, no check, and that goes so wide for Team Amulong by Simangan. So 8-11 mga kaibigan. Good service pa rin to open. That hit courtesy by Lumabaw, targeting the house of the libero. 8-12 mga kaibigan. Now, Simangan serving. Misreceive. So, point for Team Amulong. Timeout for Team Alcala. So again, shout out po sa ating mga live viewers. And maraming salamat po for patronizing the Apong Volleyball, the All Cagayalo Conference, the biggest league in the province. Now we are back to the ball game. Simangan serving. Open, Perlas. It does not cross over the net. So point goes easily to Team Amulong. So Amulong now is up by 6. 8-14 mga kaibigan. Targeting Perlas. Maluwang na block pero the libero was there. Oh! Jersey number 20. For that point. Now, Simangan, the team captain of Amulong, is up by 7. 8-15 mga kaibigan. Perlas again. Yes, sir! This time, sabi ni Christian Perlas, this time, I will not allow you to give me that kind of point to your team. Now 1-2 play for the setter, but that goes outside mga kaibigan. Quick attack, nice block. Setter goes to the open, swipe. De Ocampo was there. Now De Ocampo using the hands of the blockers. Now the setter goes to the open. Check ball. Nakuha ni Almanon. Quick attack. Yes, sir! Too late for Lumabaw to jump. And point goes to Team Alcala. Alright, so mayroon po tayong shoutout dito mula kay Timothy James M. Magidang. Shoutout po kay Jaren or Jaren. Shoutout po kay Jaren. So, timeout, Team Amulong. Back to the ball game. Score po natin na 12-15 mga kaibigan. In favor of Team Amulong. So, tatlo na lang ang kalamangan ng Team Amulong kontra Alcala. Open. Oha. Perlas. Yes, sir! So, too late for Lumabaw again to jump to block that ball from Christian Perlas. So, 13-15. Ooh, short service for Almanon. Now, Villaga on the service line for the Team Amulung. Targeting George Donato sa center. Perlas! Was a block by Lumabaw. Service. Targeting the libero. Trends to the Ocampo. The libero was there. Trends going to the opener. Hinabol. Naitaas ang bola. Pero hindi na po nakaya ni George Donato to run for that ball. Now, scoreboard natin is 18-13. Amulung is up by 5. Good service. De Ocampo. Good dug up by the libero. Their last down the line. De Ocampo now serving. Regalo. De Ocampo was there. George Donato na itaas ng libero. Chance ball ngayon ng Amulung. Block! And back to you! Sabi ni Sonido. Not this time. Not this time. Sabi ni Sonido mga kaibigan. So, tatlo na lang mga kaibigan ang hinahabol ng Alcala. Received by Danao. Drop ball. Good, Danao was there. Oh, that goes outside. Good placement sana mga kaibigan kasi walang tao doon sa area na yon. But the court is too narrow for that ball by Jerwin Danao. Simangan, got that ball. Chance ball for Team Alcala. Na opposite, Perlas again. Yes, sir! That's inside. Umahabol ngayon ng Team Alcala. Isa na lang mga kaibigan ang kalamangan ng Team Amulung. 18-17. Still in favor of Team Amulung. De Ocampo serving. Targeting Danao. Another chance ball. Binigay. Pero naibalik agad. Now, Amulung ngayon. Tignan natin. Yay! May call ang referee for touches. It doesn't cross the net. For that heated ball, mga kaibigan, on the side of Amulung. So, a point goes to Team Alcala. Now, we are tied at 18, mga kaibigan. Ito na yung mga eksena sa volleyball, mga kaibigan, na kapag nag-all, parehas na nararattle ang both teams. So, all 18 tayo, mga kaibigan. Tignan natin ngayon ang magiging play ng Amulung. And so with Team Alcala, para makapag-advance po sila for this set. Now we are back. Now they all camp on the service line. Targeting Danao. Danao! Using the hands of Christian Perlas. That goes outside. Now Lumabaw. Siya ngayon na magsuserve. Trends to Christian Perlas. That ball to the front of Lumabaw. So all 19, mga kaibigan. Now Perlas serving. Targeting the libero to the open. Blockers out! Courtesy of Jervin Danao. No, Viliaga. Serving. George Donato. Simangan to the libero. Simangan! Yes, sir! What a swing! Oh! Yes, what a swing! Grabe, ang nipis nun, mga kaibigan. Courtesy of Simangan. Now serving for Amulong, Viliaga. George Donato ngayon, targeting Viliaga. That goes outside. All 2021 mga kaibigan. Viliaga to the center. Simangan again. Yes, sir. Now the score is 22-20. Amulong now is up by 2 mga kaibigan. George Donato, drop ball. Now again, Simangan! The team captain now is working so hard for that point. Grabe, ngayon ang pinapakita ni Simangan. 23-20 mga kaibigan for Team Amulong. Sir Heribert Ray Rendon, sabi niya, kapit lang Amulong. Ilaban nyo, kadug-kadug para iwas gudu-gudu. Hello po, shoutout po kay Sir Heribert Ray Rendon. (23-20) mga kaibigan. Now we are back to the game after that timeout. Danao. Drop ball. Naitaas. Now Simangan. Drop ball. Nakuha pero na-block by Almanon. Kapit lang sabi ni AJ Limon. 21-23. 21-23 mga kaibigan. Ilaban yung Alcala, sabi ni Ma'am Jazel Sonido. De Ocampo was there for the drop. Now, De Ocampo, titignan natin, drop ball. Nakuha ni Simangan. Now, setter goes to the hands of the blockers of Alcala, giving them that match point, mga kaibigan. 21-24, mga kaibigan. Donato. Oh! It touches the antenne for that jog. So unfortunately, Alcala loses the game with a score of 25-21. Congratulations, Team 1 Amulong. It's a 2-1. So again, congratulations Team Amulong, and shout out po sa lahat ng ating mga live viewers. And again, that ends the match for today for the Apong Volleyball, the All Cagayano Conference, the biggest league in the province. Again, thank you to Honorable Attorney Alvaro Bong Antonio, Honorable Cristina Tintin Antonio, Honorable Criselda Dadang Antonio, and Honorable Mayor Mama Digna Puzon for sponsoring and organizing this volleyball league in the province. Maraming salamat po. And again, we will be going back again tomorrow. Please do keep liking and sharing our page, the Apong Volleyball. Live po na nagka-cover ngayon. Thank you also sa Smarter Multimedia Services. Maraming salamat po for this live coverage. And again, congratulations at Team Amulung.
This live stream is presented by Smarter Multimedia Services. When you can elevate your multimedia experience the smarter way. This live stream is presented by Smarter Multimedia Services. When you can elevate your multimedia experience the smarter way. This live stream is presented by Smarter Multimedia Services. When you can elevate your multimedia experience the smarter way. This live stream is presented by Smarter Multimedia Services.
And let's see if who emerges the player of the game of this match between Igig and Enrile.